I am Emily Hurt, and this is my second informative speech. What exactly is global warming? Is it real? What happens during global warming? All of these questions are very common, and some people do not realize the real effect of what global warming does. It can be very bad in some cases, and during this speech, you are going to find out what it is, what it does, and how it happens. You will learn the effects of global warming, how to reduce global warming, and scientists' view of global warming. Is the world going to end anytime soon? Let's find out. Well, the world isn't ending anytime soon, but in a long matter of time it will. In the future, it is very likely that temperatures will lead to more heat waves. This will cause intense droughts, which means fewer crops for food. Global warming refers to an average increase in the Earth's temperature. According to LiveScience.com, a warmer Earth means changes to rainfall patterns. This will cause a rise in ocean level. Heat absorption, also known as greenhouse gases, trap heat in lower atmospheres. Global warming causes an increase in flooding and storm damage in a lot of places. Hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones are bad, but global warming makes them worse. Energy production is very sensitive to climate change. Increasing temperatures will reduce the consumption of energy. Climate change for energy supply is less clear than energy for demand. According to NRDC.com, the Earth would be 60 degrees warmer if we did not have the atmospheric blanket of greenhouse gases and clouds around it. This leads me on how to reduce global warming. There are many ways to help reduce global warming. We use energy every single day. We drive to work or school when we could carpool or ride a bike. We use regular light bulbs, and we could use compact fluorescent bulbs. We use air conditioning too much. Sometimes you can open a window. People leave their computers on, and we could turn them off and save a little energy. This is only a few ways on how to reduce global warming. Some scientists say that global warming isn't an issue and that the Earth is cooling off. They argue that the measurements are not fully understood and that they draw conclusions too soon. Others believe that changes in the climate are due to the sun fluctuating. Large sunspot activity is thought to be the Little Ice Age from 1450 to 1850. Some researchers believe that global warming is foreshadowing a coming ice age. The last ice age occurred as Earth's climate was warming. In the summer, more water would evaporate. So we need new technology to reduce the fact of global warming. Thousands of scientists in all different countries, they work to find out more about our climate change. They are not just proving a theory, but they are advising an action that we must take. In addition, greenhouse gases have changed. They have changed the composition of the atmosphere. The changing in the atmosphere has influenced precipitation, temperature, sea storms, and sea level changes. Most scientists do not believe in global warming, but some of them do, and the global warming effect is going to depend on the outgoing radiation. However, when it's reabsorbed by water vapor, carbon dioxide, and other gases in the atmosphere, it is then re-radiated back towards the Earth's surface. If there were no greenhouse gases or clouds in the atmosphere, the Earth's average surface temperature would be very cold. Scientists are concerned that over the past 250 years, humans have artificially been raising the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere at an ever-increasing rate. By 2004, humans were pumping out over 8 billion tons of carbon dioxide per year. This is 2015. Think about how much carbon dioxide is now pumped out. It's at least doubled. Some of it was absorbed by sinks, like forests or the ocean, and some is reaccumulated back into the atmosphere. According to NationalGeographic.com, we produce millions of pounds of methane by allowing our trash to decompose in landfills. Nitrogen-based fertilizers and other soil management practices lead to the release of nitrous oxide into our atmosphere. Global warming is the biggest challenge facing our planet. With so many effects, how to reduce it, and all different scientists have a different view of it. So what exactly can we do? So in conclusion, if we make small changes now in the way we live, we can avoid huge changes in the future. Thank you for your time.